The worst snowstorm in history. Snowstorms are heavy snowfalls accompanied by strong winds. It can reach speeds of more than 55 kilometers per hour. It can last for periods of more than 3 hours without stopping. These storms have on more than one occasion caused millions of dollars in property losses. Hundreds of lives were also lost. Below we take a quick look at the worst snowstorm in history. The worst blizzard in history. The worst blizzard in known history in terms of the number of lives lost. It is the snowstorm that struck western and south-central Iran in 1972. This storm formed on the 3rd day of February 1972. It continued after that for 7 consecutive days. The storm caused 4,000 lives to be lost. More than 200 villages and cities sank 24 feet under the snow. As for property losses, they are unknown. Most of the inhabitants of those villages and cities died. Because of the cold and hunger, the storm caused temperatures to drop to -25 degrees below zero. Electricity is cut off and all roads leading to it are closed.